尽管菲律宾海岸警卫队不断透过无线电通讯声称这些行动不合法，但中国海岸警卫队仍然声称其正在从事合法的海上行动。值得注意的是 ，BRP Cabra 的出现有效地将中国海警船推得更远，目前位于距离卡彭斯岛海岸约92-96海里处。这表明菲律宾海岸警卫队致力于维护菲律宾的海洋利益，并阻止中华人民共和国在西菲律宾海的非法活动正常化。
The United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, of which you are a party. The 2016 Arbitral Award. You do not possess any legal authority to patrol within the 3 You are directed to cease and desist from conducting illegal maritime patrols.
Sir, speed nila sir. Corner, sir, speed nila sir.
All engine stop. All engine stop. All engine stop now, sir.
Distance 100 yards sir, distance. 4 knots sir, speed nila sir. Approaching sa atin sir. 4 knots sir.
All back one. All back one.
Speed sir.
All back one now, sir.
4.9 sir, speed nila sir.
All back two.
5 knots sir, increasing sir. Increasing sir, papunta sa atin sir.
Right standard.
Right standard.
5.6 speed nila
Left
sir.
standard.
Left standard.
Distance sir is 70 yards sir. 60 yards sir, distance. 5.6 sir.
Left full line sir. Other left full line.
Distance sir, 60 yards sir, distance.
Speed niya?
5.3 speed ma'am.
All back three.
5.3 speed.
Distance 80.